Hello Meghalaya teacher friends, your MTED exam has already completed and you are demanding and you are already message me that just answer key you want. So I came with the answer key of English language of paper 1. So we are going to discuss about answer key from question number 31 to and 60. Okay. There are some questions which are confusing me and which may be depends upon your board that which answers will be correct. So please cooperate me and maybe one or two questions may be wrong, maybe 5 questions may be wrong. That is not possible, but maximum questions from 30 questions, out of 30 questions I will assure you that 25 questions will be correct as per my answers. Okay friends, here is the let's start with the question of 31. The first question of English, that the two language skills we acquire without any formal instruction or education are. The two language skills we acquire without any formal instruction. When a child borns, then the child didn't doesn't know that he is acquiring the language. He is acquiring something learning that he is out of that knowledge. Okay, so if we tell, then a child learns at first the listening skill. He listens something, he listens the language from their environment, from like community, from like family members. Okay, so listening is a first skill that he acquires. Then the second skill is speaking. After he listens, then he starts to speaking something which he doesn't know that he is doing a skill. So we are going with the answer of option number A, listening and speaking. Listening and speaking is the right answer. And then 32 number question. 32 number question is, language is learned and developed in a social context for functional purposes, and as such teachers need to create opportunity to learn. Here you know very well, when the word opportunity came, then that answer must be correct. You can write that answer, you can choose that answer by closing your eyes. Okay, language is learned and developed in a social context. When it is talking about social, so there is also a opportunity that should be made by the parents, by the teachers or the others members. Okay, so option number C is the right answer. Next question, question number 33. Effective dash helps the teacher to be able to make students understand better. Okay, effective dash helps. Effective liking methodology of teaching. Okay, when your methodology of teaching is effect, then the child can be understand the matter, understand the topic, understand the subject. If your methodology of teaching is poor, then the child can't understand properly. So option number B is the correct answer. Question number 34. In language learning, learners are expected to pronounce the words correctly. In other words, it means that learners need to use. Question number 34. In language learning, learners are expected to pronounce the words correctly. Pronounce the words correctly means he is trying to reading. It helps to acquire the skills of reading. So pronounce the words. In these four options there is no options of reading, so we can go with we can choose speaking skill, because when he speaks, then he will be able to speak correctly and speak the word correctly. Okay, we can go with the answer option number C. Next question number 35. Question is, role play among children can best be promoted by encouraging them to role play. Here is some confusing that about question number 35. Okay, it may be watch films or listen to conversation, it may be, but we can go with the options of option number A, watch films. It may be correct or may be incorrect. Okay, I am not confirm. So your board will decide which is correct and which is incorrect. Okay, here I can choose that watch films. Okay, Question number 36. Dash refers to the process of through examination of a text or a certain situation. Examination. Okay. There is an option of examination. There is a question that of examination. What is examination? Examination means you have to analyze. You have to you have to know that what is correct and what is incorrect. Okay. Text or a certain situation, it may be, if we examine a situation, then you have to critiquing. if I gave में जब भी आप क्या सिटी और डीएलईडी कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पर क्या होती है ना, आपको एक क्लास लेना होती है जहाँ पर आपको क्रिटिसाइज करा जाती है कि आप ये सही किया, ये गलत हुआ, और आप ये करने से और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा होता। ये एक सिचुएशन है। आपको जो क्लास लेते हैं ना, जो आपकी डीएलईडी में, जहाँ पर आपकी टीचर्स और आपकी एग्जामिनर भी बैठते हैं पीछे से, आप कैसे क्लास लेते हैं वो ऑब्जर्व करती हैं, वहाँ पर आपकी क्रिटिसाइजिंग होती है। ऑप्शन नंबर ए से हम जा सकते हैं। एक ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर। Question number 37. 37 question is reading errors among learners arise mainly due to the following reasons. Reading errors among learners. Reading errors of learners. We can go with two answers. That it may be occurs of reading errors. That may be with the complex sentence and structure or intonation. Okay. Here is the answer. We can go option number A or D. Okay. Question number 38. 38 question is to develop the reading habit of children. They must be encouraged to develop the reading habit of children. They have to encouraged with option number D, read all books. Okay. Not only textbooks, or beyond the textbooks or children's story books, they can read all the books, by which they will be able to ability of the reading skills. Okay. So option number D is the right answer. Question number 39. 39 number question is reading materials such as newspaper, magazines, notice and advertisements are referred to as a newspaper, magazine, notice. This is a extensive reading. Okay, extensive reading. When we tell about some social study, means EVS, उड़िया, sorry, आपके जो खासी, गारो, those are intensive reading. But magazines, newspapers, notice, advertisements, these are extensive reading materials. Okay. Question number 30 after 40. 39 then 40. Loud reading helps in improvement of. Question number 40 answer is option number C, pronunciation. Pronunciation will be correct by loud reading. Okay. So option number C is the right answer, pronunciation. Then question number 41. Children's confidence in reading is indicated by their चिल्ड्रेंस कॉन्फिडेंस. चिल्ड्रेंस की जो कॉन्फिडेंस होती है कैसे इंडिकेट करा जाता है, वहाँ पर हम जा सकते हैं ऑप्शन नंबर सी के साथ, प्रॉपर मॉड्यूलेशन एंड इंटोनेशन इन रीडिंग. जब भी बच्चों ने प्रॉपर मॉड्यूलेशन के साथ, प्रॉपर इंटोनेशन के साथ रीडिंग करती है, हमको ये पता चल जाते हैं कि चिल्ड्रेंस की कॉन्फिडेंस है रीडिंग के लिए. 42. It is important for handwriting to be clear and legible. Okay, option number B is the here right answer, legible. Then question number 43. Possibly the two most important things a writer must consider. One is audience and the other is purpose. Okay, other is purpose. Option number C is the right answer. Question number 43. Then question number 44. 44 is students are to be encouraged to write independently even in the lower class. It is you all will be do the option number A, always. Okay. Then 45 question answer. Paragraph and essay writing foster. Option number D, creativity. Okay, it needs it increases the creativity of a child, of a learner, of a person. So question number 46. In a composition, the writer uses his or her originality and emotion. Okay, when someone writes, then he put their originality, what he is, and he puts the emotion. Okay, option number B is the right answer. Question number 47. Story writing enhance and develop the power of dash in the children. Option number C, imagination. When a story writes, then he want to put any character, so imagination is the right answer. Question number 48. 48 question is, it is your dash. It is beneath your dignity, means okay, means it is a idiom. So beneath is the right answer. Option number B. Question number 49. Distributes the sweets dash the children. This is the right answer of option A, among the children. Then question number 50. He is slow but he is sure. Option number B is the option number A is the right answer. Question number 50. Then we discuss about 51 question. 51 number question is, in a telephonic conversation, Joseph replies, I will be in town for a couple of weeks. What would be his friend's appropriate question to Joseph? Then Joseph, his friends must be asked about when will be in town, how long will you be in town. Okay, how long will be in town, because हाउ के बदले हाउ जो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है यहाँ पर, उसका आंसर हो जाएगी आपको कपल ऑफ वीक्स. सो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द right answer. Then 52 number question. Sima visits a popular tourist spot in Meghalaya. On seeing the place, he shouts excitedly that wow, what a beautiful place. He will ask, he will shout. Okay. Then 53 number. The flowers smell sweetly. Okay, the flowers smell sweetly. Option number B is the right answer. 54 all and sundry. The meaning of all and sundry means option number D, everyone. Okay, all and sundry. I am in a fix whether I should help or not. So option number C is the right answer. Give the opposite word of humility. Opposite word of humility is option number B, pride. Okay, pride is the opposite of humility. Then question number 57. To review a book, one must have food. Question number 57. One must have analytical skill. तो रिव्यू करना है तो आपको ये सही है या नहीं, सही नहीं है, वो एनालिसिस करना होगा. एनालिटिकल स्किल चाहिए रिव्यू करने के लिए बुक्स को. 58 क्वेश्चन बताया गया है कि analytical skill. Option number C is the right answer. 58. Quality of textbook of any subject is viewed upon its standard to provide. Here is also a confusion that maybe option number A or option number B will be the correct answer. It depends upon your board. Then question number 59. Effective and innovative practices of teaching is recorded in lesson plan. Okay, reflective journal, anyone can write their ability, their negative things. Okay, effective innovative practices you have to write in lesson plan. You can't write all things in your lesson plan. You have to write what is the major points that you have to do in your classroom. So option number A is the right answer. Question number 60. One of the effective tools that reflects students' best and exceptional work in scholastic and co-scholastic area. Here is the answer of option number B, anecdotal records. Anecdotal records. In anecdotal records, teachers write the scholastic and scholastic area of a child, of a student. Okay, so option number B is the correct answer. Here are the answers of English. Just subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends who have given that exam. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.